Hi friends, today we are going to study slope and deflection. So, derivation of slope and deflection. Consider an element of length PQ is equal to ds of a curve. Let the tangent P and Q makes an angle psi and psi plus delta psi with x-axis respectively. Let the normal of P and Q meet at point C. Then it is called center of curvature of the curve of any point between P and Q. So the distance CP is equal to CQ is equal to R is equal to radius of curvature, and then ds is equal to psi d psi into r. So we rearranging the terms, r is equal to therefore ds upon d psi, which is equal then we can multiply and divide by dx, so we get ds divided by dx whole term divided by d psi upon dx. So this ds upon dx is nothing but a 6i upon d psi upon dx. Since tan psi is equal to dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x, then the differentiation of tan is sec, so sec square psi into d psi upon dx is equal to d square y upon dx square. Therefore, again we rearrange the terms, and this d psi upon dx is equal to d square y upon dx square upon sec square psi. So as we know, r is equal to ds upon dx, and the whole term is divided by d psi upon dx is equal to, now we put the value of ds upon dx is sec psi, and the d psi upon dx is nothing but a d square y upon dx square upon sec square psi. So r is equal to, we multiply with this sec square psi with sec psi, so it becomes sec cube psi upon d square y upon dx square. So 1 upon r is equal to d square y upon dx square, the whole term is divided by sec cube psi in terms, okay, so is equal to d square y upon dx square, the whole term is divided by sec square psi raised to 3 by 2. Okay, so 1 upon r is equal to d square y upon dx square in terms of tan 1 plus tan square psi, whole term is raised to 3 by 2. Means for practical member, bend due to bending moment of the slope tan psi at any point is small quantity, and tan square psi can be ignored, and therefore it becomes 1 upon r d square y upon dx square. Okay. If m be the bending moment which has produced radius of curvature r, then we know the equation m upon I is equal to E upon R, and therefore m upon EI is equal to 1 upon R. Okay, and we know m upon EI is equal to, the value of 1 upon R is d square y by dx square, and therefore m is equal to EI into d square y upon dx square.